Hello, I'm Samar. Today we will learn about a prior algorithm in machine learning. So basically, what is prior algorithm in machine learning? It is an algorithm which uses, I can say, to general association, and it is designed to transaction with the help of its association to determine how strong or how weak link two objects are connected with each other. This algorithm is a BFS, means breadth first search, and has tree to calculate the items it association efficiently. It is interactive process to find the frequent item sets from the large data set. It was invented by Argilian and frequent in a year of 1994, which is mainly used for market basket analysis and also in the sector of healthcare or for patient. So this is talk. The algorithm is totally based on the frequent items. So basically, we will learn about what is frequent items. So frequent items set are those items whose support is greater than the threshold value or use specified minimum support. It means A and B are the frequent items set together. Then individually and V should also be frequent item. So what is this? What does it does this two line Smith by example we can understand. We'll take an example here. Suppose there are two transactions. First one is A and the second one is B. So for we have set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and for say A to B we have 2, 3, 7. So if you observe here, then you can get here 2 and 3 both are common insert A and C, which is intersecting. So we can say that interaction of A and B we have 20. So in this two transaction 2 and 3 both are frequent item. So you might be wrong about this, but I am assuming it can again for you understanding. So basically you will learn about segment items in detail here. So here first we will learn about triering association rule for my. It is important mining model studied extensively by the database data mining, from which assumes all data, particularly initializing used for market basket analysis, which I have said you before the prior algorithm. Here we have two sets. Find all items set that have minimum support, which have frequent item set either have explained you before, which is item set, frequent item set, and what is working, and example also called as large item set. In it create association rule with support and confidence. Example, if we buy toothbrush, it suggests Colgate and tongue cleaner. So here milk is greater than bread, milk is in the eggs, and milk is greater than bread. So here we have milk is greater than bread, and similarly milk is greater than eggs. So milk will be greater than, exactly, milk will be greater than the bread, and also bread will be greater than, as here we can say this is probability of transitivity. So now we will learn about steps for a prior algorithm. Here we have four steps for prior algorithm, which I have mentioned here. The first one is determining the support of open set in transaction database and select the minimum support and confidence. So and minimum support, these both main terms of our algorithm. So we will learn it implementation in our next topic. First, we will learn about these steps. I will fit them. Step 2 is take all the support in transactions with higher support value that minimum or selected support value. And step 3, find all the rules of this upset that have higher confidence value than the threshold or minimum confidence, and stay for which is last one, which is short for the rules as the decreasing order or left. So implementation, and it is so what support, as I have said you, I will explain you about the support here. So this one is the support. So market based optimization. So support, which is denoted by I, which is a transaction containing I support of I transaction containing AL divided by transaction, and for movie recommendation support M for user voiceless cutting is for AL for containing indices for movie user watch list containing M for them is equally uh, is equally to user watch list incoming containing m upon user watch list. So we will learn one more example, so get better explanation and better understanding. So how many people have seen X machine? So A is equal to 10 divided by 10. So by using this formula and section containing I upon transaction, so total transaction containing I have suppose change and divided by its total transaction, which is 100. So supposing that the support us is in person, similarly we will learn about confidence. So for market basket optimization, conference for Ivan into transaction containing I upon and I to divided by transaction containing only iPhone. And for movie recommendation, confidence is m1, m2 is equal to user watch list containing m1 and m2 for user using list. So for example, people who have interested are likely X machine as well, so is equal to 40 ones in interesting interseller, and out of 40 only 7 was ex machine. Okay, so here we will get the best example. So confidence is what we have learned here, transaction containing total even, and here divided by transaction containing high. So here we have only just seen 7x machina, so 7 divided by 40 we are getting 17.5%, which is our confidence. So what is lift? So lift market basket optimization lift is lift of even into equal to confidence of either 9 to 1 sub, as we find here support and confidence. We just have to divide this board. For the first is confidence in support, confidence divided by support. And similarly for movie recommendation, people who have watched Interstellar is 40 by 100 and X eczema is 70 by 100. So far we have 4 left to formula confidence divided by support. So we are here we will get, as we have find our support is 10%, and here we have confidence in 17.5 percentage, so we will minus confidence, so we will divide it, so we will get as 17.5 divided by 17.5 percentage divided by 10%. So here we are getting 1.75, 1.75. So here we have algorithm for it. Set a minimum support and confidence. First step is that, second one is take all the subset in transaction, third is take all the rules in this subset having higher confidence than minimum confidence, and the whole should be thought of rules by decreasing, as we have mentioned here, what a leap confidence upon a support. So by using this formula we can decrease. So DID, which is a transaction ID, uh, and items ID, to so the ID is 1000, 1001, 1002, 1003, and 1004 is the transaction. We have a separate data set which is item set, which is given here. So for given minimum support is 60% and minimum confidence is 80%. So for we see one, now find support count of each item. To find support count of each item, we have to calculate each transaction, each item says frequency means. For here we have seen more, and by doing all letters we have which we have which exactly each letter is used, how many times means we have to calculate frequency. So M is used 3 times, O is used 4 times, 1 2 3 4, yeah, exactly. Similarly for this all items and this support comma. So so now to find out minimum support is equation 60 divided by 100 into 5, which is equal to 3. We have done it as done as they had mentioned minimum support is 60%, so 60 divided by 100 into 5 as well. With this is given, this minimum support is given in percent. As we have to calculate the number, we should multiply it by a development. So 60 divided by 100, uh, so 60 divided by 100, so verify the number of Indian compared to minimum support with each item. So 11 support count items that and support count EMOK. So here MOK by 3, 4, 5, each item that is represented here, support count is represented here. So for candidate table to M O M K M E M Y, so here we have its frequency MO 1 MK3 ME2 invite 2, and similarly I have mentioned here which is represented here after satisfied minimum support criteria. Make two generated cities, so candidate table C items and count MKO. Here we have made to pay. Now we have to make a pair of MK, one of these all fields these items, that MK2 MKVI2, okay, to the end. Okay, so support, now again compare item with minimum support 3 as have find here, so we will go ahead for it. So okay, support count is 3. Now create association rule with the support and confidence for okay. Confidence is equal to the support upon number of items in the course. This is the main formula for confidence. So association rule and support confidence and confidence. So how to find it? So association rule or reuse is equal to support is 3 confidence aware. I have mentioned your support upon number of items. So total support is 3 and number of items is 1. So we will get a number of confidence person. We have to multiply whatever are getting confidence, multiply. So he gave O as EJ. So here also support 3 by 3 is 1 year. Also we are getting 100% here. We are getting okay. K is 3. So 3 by 4.5. Similarly, all this we have to find. We have to find comfortably this with minimum confidence is equal to 80%. So minimum confidence which we have given already in our example, which is 80%. So we are using that here and we are finding our own support and confidence. Oh, you we are okay, there is we 3 confidence is 100. Similarly, there here as hence the final association through we are getting here. So from first observation we predict that if the customer buy item and item K, then definitely then he will buy item A. So if you buy O and K, then definitely he will buy E. If from second observation we predict if you paid for that customer buy item or any item, then definitely he will buy them. So have you got you have might vote about its exactly working and its implementation or association rules which I have explained you. So now what is advantages of a prior algorithm? This is easy to understand, means we can easily understood the join and the step of the algorithm can be easily implemented on large data set. Means if we have there are so many problems to handle large data sets, so by this algorithm we can handle those steps easily. And this advantage a prior algorithm works and slow compared to other. It works on slow compared to the other idle, then overall performance be reduced as the scan database for the multiple times. Yeah, exactly, the time complexity and the space complexity of the Abar algorithm is O into 2 raised to d is very high. Here represent the horizontal, b represent in database. So these were the advantages and disadvantages of the product. So the market basket analysis using Python data processing. steps importing the libraries. So first we will have to install a prior. We have to install here, it is importing libraries. Import numpy as nm, which is a number multiple which is used for pie plotting the graph. Find that. So importing is, we have the presentator here importing the dataset. We have csv.csv file, which is our data set. So we have to import it, and here then we have to mention it for I range 0 comma 7 pin is str data set value for English. Here we will get this output. We will see was the code live on our app created. Well, fine, we will see here. So first I will have imported pandas as pd, then imported numpy y as np, and above from above. So we will have to install pip for a prior first pip. So command for pip install is install. So after installation you have to add your csv file here, which I have mentioned in csv data set, which was totally 7501 rows and 20 columns. So converting data for window list of so L is equal to empty IRA for enzymes 1 comma 750, which we have 7501 rows, and L dot append appear means we have to add those str dot dfpg data set in, we have mentioned here values I comma j 4 j comma 0 comma 20, which is when we visit up columns applying a prior applying our prior. So by that formula here we are getting the exact value of it, exact representation. Association results is equal to list of association rules. So we have association to when mentioned association. So for I range of 0 comma length of association to print association result, which we have mentioned here. For printers, your frozen set here like cream chicken, this is output. So similarly for second call topic for items in association with this index for the inner list containing base item and add item is equal to the item comma 0 items is to x for x in pair paint room plus item 0 less items. For second index other is early spring support plus str item plus 1 by 3 index of the list located at the position uh, at the list position 30 less than uh, so the conclusion in with that we have learned to find frequently items from the given data set, generate strong association rules using confidence threshold using a priority. Thanks for watching.